Did y'all know Dollar Tree had microwave fried rice? Well, they don't, but let me show you how to make it. So everything is from Dollar Tree except the sesame oil. It costs less than $10 to make. And while I was seasoning the chicken, I had my vegetables heating up in the microwave. So I'm trying to make this disability friendly because, yeah. So the most you'll need is the dexterity to stir things up, open the cans, and open up your seasonings. So I seasoned all my chicken, mixed that up. I put my rice in the microwave, and I found this Japanese barbecue for $1. And it was really good, y'all, honestly. So after the rice was done, I put in maybe a tablespoon of soy sauce and maybe a teaspoon of sesame oil. I seasoned it up and I put it back in the microwave to quote unquote fry it or whatever. So I use the same seasonings that I put in the chicken, like I put in the rice. So we're gonna mix it, stir it. I think I put the vegetables in there, season it some more because y'all know I like my food seasoned. I think I put it back in the microwave for maybe like 30 seconds to a minute because again, how else you gonna fry it? This is the best way we can try to get it fried. So we're gonna do that. Once it's done, I separated them and I made basically 2 meals out of this. I put my barbecue sauce on my chicken, plated up, ate it, delicious. And they also have this, it's like onion oil. It's like this onion, garlic, chili oil or whatever. It's not too spicy. It's actually really sweet. And yeah, it was delicious, y'all. So give it a try. Thanks for watching.